about a month ago, Cornell from YouTube Fishing Vids on YouTube. I'll link his description below. He was in town, so me and Adam and Cornell went out triple tail fishing. We ran the buoys, and after a couple of triple tail we got on live shrimp, I went ahead and used a Savage Gear shrimp to sight fish. This is one of those clips I got on the GoPro, which I couldn't use on any of the edits. Yeah, I might end up using it sometimes when I do how to fish for triple tail, but here's the footage from the cast to the hookup to the landing of the triple tail. It's a pretty raw clip, so, you know, whatever it is, but I just want to show it to you guys, so check it out. It's about 4 or 5 minutes long, but my first cast with the Savage Gear, move it really, really slow, but pause as well, like a real shrimp, right? You can't just go dun 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 like this. You do it like a real shrimp. The Savage Gear manic shrimp, though, is not, well, hold on. It's not this one. It's the one with the legs. It's not this one. It's the one with the legs on the side, so it actually falls down a lot slower. This one here is weedless. This one here is weedless, as you can see. Focus, come on. Focus, okay. This one here is weedless, as you can see. It's good for tailing redfish and stuff like that, but for the open water, like we just did, the panic shrimp is actually a better option. Anyways, you throw it near him, up current, come through near the buoy where he is, and just let it float down. It'll splayed out with the TPE plastic. This is pretty durable too, by the way, so is the other shrimp, same material. And as you can see, I hook up on the first cast. Works pretty good. Check it out.
That's a tile fish. A file fish are too skinny. Can you see it? I think it's a triple tail. Yeah, he's coming after it. See it? It's a triple tail. Did he hit you? He went on his side.
Oh,
fish on.
That's awesome, man. I got the triple tail on. I grabbed my little handy cam camera, guys. All right, we got the good one. Good. That's a good one. That's a good one, huh? Nice. Awesome. Second cast, 2 fish. We're out of 2 cast, 2 fish. Guys, we're 2 for 2 on triple tails. My man Secret is on.
Don't jinx him yet. It ain't in the boat.
Oh, he's on. Oh, there he is. Woo! Totally different color than the last one.
Yes. So, well, the water's milkier here.
Mine was more of a tan, kind of brownish tan color. It mimicked the water. Right in front of the sand clouds here. The good news is, the rest of the fish we see, you casting at. He cast? Or was it triple tail? I cast, but I haven't got one yet today. Right. The rest of the fish is. Yeah, I got my triple tail. Sam has got his personal best cobia, and now he's got his. Adam's working the boat. Adam's got an eagle eye, man. He saw it underneath the grass. Yep, he saw it underneath the grass, and he calls it the boat with the son of my god.
Change colors. He's lit up now.
I'm trying to stand. It's not hurt your boat.
No, he's standing where you want.
That man ready to go? Don't you go in.
Check the jag. It's kind of tight. He should be pulling more.
Not tight. Similar size? Bigger, smaller than mine?
Similar. It might be look a little bigger.
Well, the crucial part is right next to the boat, you know? There's a lot of chances you can screw up on a saltwater boat.
Shrimp tabs.
Remember, when they do run underneath the boat, though, guys, you gotta stick your rod in the water. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I didn't even mention this. Artificial.
Artificial.
Yeah, same bait. Sam hooked up the
Savage Gear
Cody
shrimp.
Savage Gear shrimp.
Yeah.
There he is.
15 pound test, man.
Wow. Nice job, Sam. There it is.
That's bigger.
Nice. Woo! Good job. Show me that bait. Artificial shrimp.
Savage Gear 3D shrimp.
Absolutely awesome.
And a triple tail. Look at that. Right in the mouth.
That's a good thing.
Doesn't
Right
get
in the
better.
mouth. Look at that.
That is absolutely incredible.
What 3 for 3?
Oh, yeah, I guess.
This side.
Adam, the captain, the man, the myth.
Got it?
Yep.
Show me that
There
fish.
you go, man.
Back up a little bit since this is at a wide angle. All the way to the bow, all the way to the bow, and then
Fall off now.
There you go.
It's all right. You can swim, right?
No, I really can't. Put the shoes on.
Yeah, you're Asian.
Beautiful lady.
Awesome fish. Sweet. We're gonna get some pictures now, guys.
Yes.
Congratulations, Sam, on your first triple
Thank you,
tail
sir.
of the day.
Thank you, sir.
Nice.
Get some pictures in. Now you're
What's up on the camera first? On the cooler, so right?
Yeah.
nice, nice.
I need my flash on this one.
That's funny. Y'all were like, there's seaweed there. Like, oh no.
No, I can't see that shit.
Under the seaweed.
Look at that, you got